Hello there, it's Ashley Hubbard, health and diet coach, and today in this video I am going to teach you about foods to eat to lose weight. I want you to think of the results that you're getting right now and think where you would like to go with respect to your weight loss goals. Now, I recommend you watch this video from beginning to end because I will give you 6 top tips that I have to help you lose weight. So if you're interested, keep watching. Now, before I get into the tutorial, a very warm welcome to this Foods to Eat to Lose Weight video presentation. My name is Ashley Hubbard, that is me there in the centre of the screen. I've been helping people to lose weight for a number of years, and I do that by always giving you valuable tips and advice that you can't find anywhere else. On that basis, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below the video, and then you're not going to miss out on any future videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you enjoy the content and I will therefore spend time creating it for you. Let's now get into the tutorial. Here we go. Did you know that not all calories are created equal? Different foods go through different metabolic pathways in your body. They can have vastly different effects on your hunger, hormones, and the number of calories you burn, so this is something I would like you to keep in mind. I highly recommend that you focus on eating healthy foods as part of your weight loss diet plan. In this tutorial, I will share with you some of the best weight loss foods that I know of to help you lose weight. I recommend that you begin to include some of, if not all of these foods in your diet. This will help you lose weight quicker. So let's now take a look at these weight loss friendly foods and why you should include them in your diet. Let's now take a look at these weight loss friendly foods. Number 1 is whole eggs. Eggs were once considered not healthy for being high in cholesterol, but whole eggs have been making a comeback. Although a high intake of egg raises the levels of bad LDL cholesterol in some people, they are one of the best foods to eat if you need to lose weight. They are high in protein and fat and are very satiating. One study in 30 overweight women showed that eating eggs for breakfast instead of bagels increased feelings of fullness and made participants eat less for the next 36 hours. Another 8-week study found that eggs for breakfast increased weight loss on a calorie-restricted diet compared to bagels. Eggs are also incredibly nutrient-dense and can help you get all the nutrients you need on a calorie-restricted diet. Interestingly, almost all the nutrients are found in the yolks. Eggs are very filling and nutrient-dense compared to refined carbs like bagels. Eggs can suppress appetite later in the day and may even promote weight loss. Moving on to food number 2, which is leafy greens. Leafy greens include kale, spinach, collards, Swiss chards, and a few others. They have several properties that make them perfect for a weight loss diet, such as being low in calories and carbohydrates, and they are loaded with fiber. Eating leafy greens is a great way to increase the volume of your meals without increasing the calories. Numerous studies show that meals and diets with a low energy density make people eat fewer calories overall. Leafy greens are also incredibly nutritious and very high in many vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, including calcium, which has been shown to aid fat burning in some studies. Leafy greens are an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. Not only are they low in calories, but also high in fiber that helps keep you feeling full. Now please don't go anywhere because I still have some more tips to give you. But if you want a complete diet plan to lose weight, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website. You can find the website link at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you can get your custom keto diet plan for weight loss within a few minutes from now. Literally hundreds of people have transformed their lives with this program. I will now give you some more advice about weight loss friendly foods. Let's take a look at food number 3, which is salmon. Fatty fish like salmon is incredibly healthy and very satisfying, keeping you full for many hours with relatively few calories. Salmon is loaded with high quality protein, healthy fats and various important nutrients. Fish and seafood in general may also supply a significant amount of iodine. This nutrient is necessary for proper thyroid function, which is important to keep your metabolism running optimally. Studies show that a significant number of people don't fill their iodine needs. Salmon is also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation. which is known to play a major role in obesity and metabolic disease. Mackerel, trout, sardines, herring, and other types of fatty fish are also excellent. Salmon is high in both protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a good choice for a healthy weight loss diet. Moving on to food number 4, which is cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables including broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Like other vegetables, they're high in fibre and tend to be incredibly filling. What's more, these types of veggies generally contain decent amounts of protein. They're not nearly as high in protein as animal foods or legumes, but still high compared to most vegetables. A combination of protein, fibre, and low energy density makes cruciferous vegetables the perfect foods to include in your meals if you need to lose weight. They're also highly nutritious and contain cancer-fighting substances. Cruciferous vegetables are low in calories but high in fibre and nutrients. Adding them to your diet is not only an excellent weight loss strategy, but may also improve your overall health. Weight loss friendly food number 5 is lean beef and chicken breast. Meat has been unfairly demonized. It has been blamed for various health problems despite a lack of good evidence to back up these negative claims. Although processed meat is unhealthy, studies show that unprocessed red meat does not raise the risk of heart disease or diabetes. According to the 2 big reviews, red meat has only a very weak correlation with cancer in men and no correlation at all in women. The truth is, meat is a weight loss friendly food because it's high in protein. Protein is by far the most filling nutrient, and eating a high protein diet can make you burn up to 80 to 100 more calories per day. Studies have shown that increasing your protein intake to 25% of daily calories can cut cravings by 60%. Which will reduce your desire for late night snacking by half and cause weight loss of almost 1 pound, the equivalent of 0.5 kilograms per week. If you're on a low carb diet, feel free to eat fatty meats. However, if you're on a moderate to high carbohydrate diet, choosing lean meats may be more appropriate. Eating unprocessed lean meat is an excellent way to increase your protein intake. Replacing some of the carbs or fat in your diet with protein could make it easier for you to lose excess fat. Let's now take a look at weight loss friendly food number 6, which is boiled potatoes. White potatoes seem to have fallen out of favour for some reason. However, they have several properties that make them a perfect food, both for weight loss and optimal health. They contain an incredibly diverse range of nutrients, a little bit of almost everything you need. There have even been accounts of people living on nothing but potatoes alone for extended periods of time. They are particularly high in potassium, a nutrient that most people don't get enough of, and that plays an important role in blood pressure control. On a scale called the satiety index, which measures how filling different foods are, white boiled potatoes scored the highest of all the foods tested. What this means is that by eating white boiled potatoes, you will naturally feel full and eat less of other foods. If you allow potatoes to cool for a while after boiling, they will form high amounts of resistant starch, a fibre-like substance that has been shown to have various health benefits, including weight loss. Sweet potatoes, turnips, and other root vegetables are also excellent. Boiled potatoes are among the most filling foods. They're particularly good at reducing your appetite, potentially suppressing your food intake later in the day. So now, I would like to ask you a quick question. What video topic would you like to see next? You can tell us right away. Please just leave a comment below the video right now. Now, I highly recommend that you click the link below the video where you'll be taken to my website. You can find the website link at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. When you are on the website, you'll be able to get your custom keto diet plan for weight loss, and you can literally get it within a few minutes from now. Literally hundreds of people have transformed their lives with this program, so I would like you to get yourself on this plan so that you can put yourself in a strong position and you too can enjoy the same success as these other people, so it's definitely worth checking it out. You can find out more about this program by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Please connect with us on Facebook. The Facebook link is in the description box below the video. Please do give the video a like, because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your weight loss plan. Have a brilliant day. Thank you.